This tutorial will show you how to clear RAM on iOS smartphone device completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so basically on how to clear your RAM on your iOS smartphone device, a couple ways to do this. The first way is to click on App Store with the logo or icon, and on the bottom right hand screen you want to click this where it says search, and click on the middle hand screen to search in memory cleaner, and basically you can type in an iPhone memory cleaner. And basically you can download any one of these options. You can clean your RAM by clicking on the icon. Second way that you can do this, which is more simplified, this is a tip, hack, trick, or secret, is you want to get the assistive touch, which is what you're currently seeing. So you want to type in settings and then open up the settings icon or logo on your iOS smartphone device. Then scroll up and then type in here under the search bar, assistive touch. And you want to click the first icon, which says assistive touch. And basically right now it's currently turned on, and that's exactly what we want, because now, as you can currently see, if we open up assistive touch and we click device and then hold down lock screen, which is to the left, for 4 to 5 seconds. Now this will bring up slide to power off, but we don't want to power this off. With the assistive touch, hold down the bottom icon which says home for 2 to 3 seconds, and as you can see, now your memory has successfully been cleaned. You can click on the memory cleaner app that you downloaded on the Apple Play Store. As you can see, you can now click this option, this rocket. It's basically going to clean up your RAM or your memory on your iOS smartphone device completely for free. And then wait for this to load. And as you can see, you have now successfully cleaned 480 megabytes, or you now have 21% available of RAM. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.